Hi everyone, my name is Bobby and I work here at COSI. Today we're talking all about the pH scale. So if we look over here, you can see that the pH scale tells us whether something is an acid, a neutral, or a base. So you might be asking, what are some examples of acids, neutrals, and bases? And how can we tell if something is an acid, neutral, or base? So today, we're going to be using a chemical called Universal Indicator in order to see what are different liquids here, if they're an acid, a neutral, or a base. And we can see our Universal Indicator is a nice green color, and that's going to change when we add it into each of these liquids. So our first liquid over here is vinegar. So as soon as I go ahead and add in some of this Universal Indicator, we can see that that liquid turns a nice bright red color. And that's going to tell us that vinegar is an acid, and we could tell because the color that the liquid changed is the same on the pH scale. So our next liquid here, right in the middle, is regular old water. So when we add in our Universal Indicator, we can see that our water turns a nice vibrant green color, and that's going to show us that water falls right in the middle of the pH scale under neutral. And our last liquid here, we're going to go ahead and add our Universal Indicator too. And we see that that liquid turns a nice dark purple color. That mystery liquid is ammonia, which is a household cleaner. And most household cleaners fall in the base category. Water is really the only neutral that we're using every day that we come in contact with that's a neutral. And acids tend to be things that are sour on your tongue or a little bit bitter. So try to think of some liquids around your house that you could test and see if they're acids, neutrals, or bases.